Tundra region is a treeless, frozen biome where winters are long and dark and summers are short. The region is permafrost, and beneath it is a layer of soil that keeps decomposing microbes away. As a result, this region is able to store enormous amount of carbon, which would be about double the amount of carbon in the atmosphere. Additionally, the Arctic region impacts global weather conditions as well by driving oceanic and atmospheric currents in the lower latitudes. As far as human population is concerned, then about 4 million people live north of the Arctic Circle. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration released its annual Arctic Report Card in the beginning of this month. The report threatens of a switch between Arctic being a carbon dioxide since millennia to an emitter of heat trapping gases in the background of global temperature rise. The findings also suggest that climate change can be accelerated with sudden steps, even though it is believed to be a gradual process. The Arctic region is warming faster than the global rate, and this impacts everyone on the Earth, not just the native flora, fauna, ice, and soil. In this region, scientists have also observed that the ocean has certain areas without ice floating on them. Hence, the ocean water can absorb more heat also. There are occurrences of rainfall instead of snowfall. The region has also become more accessible to ships as sea ice receded because of rising temperature. This also opens that area for mining of minerals and oil. This year, 9 out of 20 permafrost monitoring sites registered record high temperatures, which resulted in thawing of permafrost regions and activation of microbes which unleash a cycle of food chain where carbon dioxide, methane and other potent greenhouse gases are released. Surprisingly, wildfires have also occasionally ignited in the Arctic. Last year was the worst wildfire season, and this year is the second biggest year for wildfire emission. Additionally, between 2001 and 2020, researchers have found fires in the Arctic as a key source for greenhouse gases. The research also suggests that the tundra region could re-stabilize if global temperatures decrease. The researchers identified that warming is a cumulative effect of greenhouse gas emissions from burning fossil fuels and the loss of essential natural systems that used to trap heat and absorb the warming gases. I would like to add that this year record high temperature is coming to an end. Also, the holiday season is coming worldwide. Please be environment conscious. Climate change stressors are already here, and we just have one planet to live on.